everyone, welcome back. This is Fix Up, looking right like the reject double of Shongoku. Please forgive the hair. What I have today is something of a little plant haul. These aren't brand new. The newest I've gotten about 2 weeks ago, but they are all very recent, so I thought they would still fit into the definition of a plant haul. Let me show them off. This here is an Asterium asterias. This is a proper cactus, so family Cactaceae from North and Mesoamerica. It's supposed to be treated like all the other cacti, so I haven't even watered it since I've gotten it, and I don't really plan on doing it this month, so we'll see how it fares. What I've learned about it since I've gotten it is that this is not the wild form, but the so-called Super Kabuto cultivar. You can see these little white blotches on it. On the wild form, these are just tiny specks, kind of dusted, scattered over the surface, these stomas, but on the Super Kabuto form they are clumped together like this. It really is just an aesthetic difference. This one is a Euphorbia obesa. This, on the other hand, is not a proper cactus. This is a Euphorbia. It's from South Africa. And, well, I'm still trying to figure out whether to water it like a proper cactus or more like a more softer succulent like a Stapelia, which I usually water once a week, and it's been doing quite well with that treatment for a year now. But I'm leaning towards the proper cactus treatment with this one. We'll see. Oh yes, and like all euphorbias, please don't eat this. It has a very toxic sap. Speaking of things you probably shouldn't be eating, this here is a Lophophora williamsi, also known as a peyote. This, like the first one, is a proper cactus also, family Cactaceae, and its main point of botanical curiosity is its chemical composition, so to speak. Most medicinal plants contain active compounds like essential oils and anthocyanins, these sort of things. Most herbal medicine have a relatively mild effect and are safe to use, so you have to go really far out of your way to overdose on say chamomile or valerian. I mean, valerian will definitely help you sleep, but it's not going to, I don't know, cure your clinical depression. Not the peyote though. This one contains mescaline, which is a protoalkaloid. It's a general rule or kind of a clue that if a compound's name ends with "in", it's probably some sort of an alkaloid like caffeine, capsaicin, mescaline, morphine, and going by this list you can probably tell that these are the heavy hitters of the natural chemical world, and the kind of thing that you really shouldn't be playing around with. But all this particular pencil here will do is to sit on my windowsill and look pretty. Right, last one for today. This is a jewel orchid, Macodes sanderiana. I was looking for a petola, but I couldn't find one, and well, this looks similar enough. I only dared buy it because I think I finally figured out what I'm doing wrong with jewel orchids. The thing is, they always, without a fail, get root rot, or not even root rot, stem rot, once I try to repot them. So this will stay in sphagnum moss and live its entire life in sphagnum moss. I hope that will help prevent the stem rot because, well, you know, sphagnum bogs are kind of antithetical to rot. You don't go into the sphagnum bog to rot, you go into the sphagnum bog to become a bog buddy. And by this logic, I'm hoping that it will at least help combat the stem rot issue. So that was it for today. As you can see, my track record is slowly improving. I'm hoping to get back to you sooner than a whole year. And maybe by the time I'll also figure out exactly where to look on my tablet to make eye contact with the viewers. Goodbye.